Keenan here with the ECW120 from EnGenius. So about the ECW120, this is a 2x2 Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC Wave 2 Wi-Fi access point. This is the entry-level model into the EnGenius Cloud. Now, I'd only use this one really price-conscious installations. You really should go with the Wi-Fi 6 or even a Wi-Fi 6E access point at this point. If you have a small location with a small number of people, ECW120 might be a good fit for you. We even have some people using these in smaller hotels. So if you need a lot of access points, they don't really care about the speed so much, but they want something that's reliable and runs. This one will work good. Now, the EnGenius Cloud Management is free to use. You basically just scan the serial number on the back of this with either the EnGenius Cloud to Go app or type it into the EnGenius Cloud portal and it will bring this up and you can configure it online. Now, this is a PoE powered access point. It does not come with any power, so you would need to use a PoE switch or injector. I'll put a link below to the cloud managed EnGenius switches. As far as mounting goes, this is a ceiling mount access point. So it comes with this mounting ring. You basically screw this into your ceiling and then the access point will slot onto it. Now there's also T-bar drop ceiling mounts in the box. Again, this is the ECW120 from EnGenius Cloud Managed Wi-Fi 5 access point. I'll put a link to it below and remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Wi-Fi and tech products.